Hello everyone. Hi, hi. Let me check something. Okay. First of all, can you guys can hear my voice loud and clear? Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Wait. Where the guys? Please give me a minute. I'm just arranging my stream. La 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 na 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 na. Claire, okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and welcome to the stream, guys. Today I will be trading on forex pairs, especially on EU and GU, gold for sure, and I will look for Nasdaq as well. So you can share the stream and let's fucking log in. Okay. So first of all, um, let me do check on gold. uh, I want to check futures price on bar chart. For gold, it will be GC. Now will be Mars contract GCH26. Yeah, this is gold Mars contract. What happened to my stream? Let's see. Hi. How are you guys? And a very happy new year to all of you. What's your plan for 2026? I think uh, we see some gap up opening today on futures, and this gap is very likely to fill this gap. Let me check for dollar index. So for dollar index, it will be DXH26. And that's fine. This was on daily time frame. It's filling this gap, but mm, you can see this volume gap. So if dollar index wants to goes up to these highs, then as of my experience, it needs to close above this gap, this volume gap. So till now, this is on daily time frame. So till now, till yesterday, yesterday candle closing, it was closing bullish, but it was closing within this gap. So I'm not sure uh, it will go for higher for dollar right now in in higher time frame. And this long week on Monday, this long week is also very important one. So at least if dollar wants goes up, at least in 4 hour time frame, it need to close above this 50% of this long week. So I need to check on trading view as well. I think we got some news today. Let me check. Okay, ADP non-farm employment change. Yes, this is red folder, but not that much. And I will wait until 10. Today will be some good day for trading. So let's see. Let's see. Because now is the beginning of this year, so I need to check higher time frame first. This is on weekly because for me, first of all, if you want to be a trader or anybody who are trading in scalping in lower time frame, higher time frame, it doesn't matter. The first thing we as a trader we need to understand is the direction of the market. Direction of the market is one of the most important. I hope so. So to understand the direction, I would love to analyze from higher time frames like quarterly time frame. So now is the beginning of the year plus beginning of first quarter and first month of this year. So I will check from 3 months candle just to understand the higher time frame direction, the framework according to fundamental as well. Because as a fundamental right now, lots of things happening in the world. So dollar need to be, I think it will go for some downside more. We can see a very clear down movement. This one fair value gap over here. This fair value gap is already filled by this wick a little bit. And let's see. I can see another swing low over here. What about monthly candle? A long consolidation on monthly candle from last year May. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and for again this month it will be 9 months of consolidation on mostly in forex pairs because this is on dollar index, so it's not a very clear price action right now. On November and December last year, I'm expecting to at least go above these highs and fill this gap, but it doesn't happen what I manifest, but it was ending up consolidating over this area. So it will be very tricky level over here, but I need to be very careful about expansion and retracement because it can continue for this consolidation for a longer time, I mean. So for now, until I see a very good breakout or expansion, I will not consider myself this move will be a breakthrough or breakout of this consolidation. So currently my eyes over this fair value gap on daily time frame and this order block, and if it needs to goes down it can take out this loss again, but I need to be very careful about this area. But let's see. For funded account, it depends on your uh, like companies. For funding pips, there are different accounts on funding pips as well. For funding pips pro, I don't have that much idea because till now I didn't trade any funding pips pro account. I just trade only standard account, two-phase standard account. So for standard account, you can hold your trade weekend or daily holding. You can hold it as much as you want. And but it depends. It depends on companies to companies, and again, in same company, it depends on your uh, challenges. Like for phase one is different, phase two is different. If you choose instant account, it will be different again. And are you ready, guys, for this coming 2026? Or are you still confused about yourself? What should you do? And for our trade house, I'm expecting a more from trade house. This is our trade house private channel, private group channel. This is our website. And today, one of our sister, she withdraw around $7,000, and after profit split, she got around 6,200 withdrawal from funding pips. So a very shout out to sister once again. She is a housewife, and she's working really hard, and lots of uh, pending payout is there for another trade house member as well. So looking forward for more growth in trade house community for Manipur and for international as well. So let's see. And uh, bro, how to take profit safely to bank account from prop firm? I doesn't take any payout to my bank account, but if you want to, just you can receive your payout through Rise, and then from Rise, you can transfer your uh, withdrawal to your bank. But that is not my recommendation if you are especially from India. If you are paying tax, then you can. Then otherwise, I don't do that. Can you hear my voice now? Yes, brother David Tau F1U1M. I will look for gold for sure. Please calm down. I will wait until 8:15 because we have some news on 8:15 and in 10 as well. So uh, this would be today is 7th of Jan, New Year. Already 7 days, already 1 week gone for this New Year. So what have you really done till now? Time is flying, bro. I will wait for buys on gold, but let's see. I need some confirmation from silver as well. Silver. uh, Let me check something. This is on daily time frame. So I hope gold is getting another all-time high. This will be very important fair value gap. Another over here. This was on daily time frame. And once again, for EU and GU, I think we got some divergence on EU and GU. See, on daily time frame, let me show you something. This is on daily time frame for GBP USD, and you can see the price on daily time frame. It's very important. Guys, can you hear my voice or am I lagging? Please, anybody let me know in the chat. Come on. Can you hear my voice now? Good and clear. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. First of all, as a trader, you can be scalper or swing trader, position trader, anything. It's up to you as a trader. I cannot say you must be a scalper or you must be a swing trading. It depends on yourself and how you see the market or how can you adapt your psychology through the market. So it depends on you. But the common thing to the trader is to understand the direction of the market. This is one of the most important thing, understand the direction of the market. So the simple form to understand the direction of the market is to understand the market structure and market phase of your asset. So first of all, to understand the direction, my advice would be at least please understand the direction of daily time frame. That is one of the most key time frame. If you are scalper or if you are swing trader, if you are trading in 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 minute, it doesn't matter. Try to understand the direction of the market. The most important thing is daily time frame. Once you understand daily time frame, try to understand for at least 4 hour. And if you understand daily time frame in 4 hour, the direction, and first of all, it would be, I would say, once you understand the direction of the market, then you can come through market phase. Then once you understand the market phase, you can search for which type of area or which type of point of interest are you looking for. So market will always come to the level where there is liquidity or where there is a gap in the market. This is the only two things market will come. It could be if you are trading in crypto, forex, stock market, it doesn't matter. Market will always come for liquidity level and gaps in the market. So there are different types of liquidities and different types of gaps. So it depends what type of gaps are you looking for or what types of liquidity are you looking for. So first you understand, I will type here again, liquidity or gaps. Once you understand these three level in the market, direction of the market, which phase of market is right now, and what type of liquidity area or what type of gaps the market can come for. This is the only three level as a technical analysis. This is one of the most important, the core level of technical analysis. The others like point of, let's say power of three, supply demand, or let's say order block, or is standard deviation, everything that is extra for you. So you need to understand direction, and then market phase, and then which type of area market is interested in or market will come for. So these are the three core, like you must understand these three levels in the market. After then, if you understand these three level, then next will be timing. In what timing are you looking for? Now, for me, my direction of goal is bullish. What is the market phase? Market phase for gold right now in, let me show you in higher time frame. Market phase for gold is also in expansion phase. So if we are in bullish and market phase is also in expansion phase, then it is higher chances that market will go up right now. So the two level I understand for gold. And for which type of liquidity it is looking for, I'm looking for today's Asian's highs and all-time high. This will be the key level. If market wants to go up, it will come for this level first, today's Asian's high and this all-time high. So I understand these three area: direction of the market, market phase, direction bullish, market phase, expansion phase, again bullish. Liquidity will be today's highs or all-time high, again bullish. Timing is now. Now is New York kill zone, and New York kill zone, but I'm waiting for until 1815 because we have news on 1815. So I'm not that person. If I'm trading on a news day, then I will finish my trade before the news, or I will wait for the news to finish, and I will wait for the news to hang around, or it can manipulate within 5 to 15 minutes after news is already out, and then I will wait for that and I will enter my trade as of my confirmation. So that is the uh, simple rule that I maintain in my uh, trading plan. Bro, are you going to enter trade today? Yes. If I see my setup, I will enter for sure. And there will be lots of uh, like traders or uh, anyone, those who are doing live trading. I want to explain one thing. There is no need to enter every hour or every day or every sessions in the market. If you see your setup without any fear, just enter the trade according to your plan. If you don't see your setup, that is totally okay. Don't take any trades for that trade. Don't try to force yourself. So that's why I'm waiting till now. I don't see any good setup forming right now. That's why I'm waiting from I will wait until 10:30 New York time. Within this time, if I see my setup, then I will go for it. If I don't see, then I will not trade for today. And guys, I want to ask you one thing. Do you guys really want to? The first question will be, do you guys really believe or uh, really want to be profitable trader in future or in this year? Please comment on the chat. Let's do some interaction type, or let's do some mastermind together on this live while we are waiting for our setup. Mastermind is one of the most powerful in trading, so we need to do some mastermind. So please understand this one, okay? One brother MC Luang, brother Mangang Sana, brother Lucky, brother Girish. Right now, 36 of you watching this live. I got only 6 yes. What about the rest? Okay. Then my next question will be, what is your trading plan? Do you have your trading plan? If yes, then what is your trading plan? Or do you really have your trading plan? Like if you are profitable for 3 consecutive days, then what's your plan for the 4th day? Or if you are losing for consecutive 3 to 5 trades in a row, then what's your plan? Or today, if you pass your funded account, or if you fail your funded account, then what's your plan? Let me tell you something, a very important topic. Technical is very secondary. If you are a trader or if you want to be a trader, technical analysis, this is just a secondary part. You can learn technical within 4 to 5 months very, very easily. Even the fourth standard, five standard, they can learn technical analysis. Its technical is very easy. The main part is your trading plan, when you are going to trade, when you are not going to trade, and what will be your plan for these coming weeks or days or months. You need to have your trading plan. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you. For example, if you don't have any trading plan, then you will trade or you will take some decision for sure, like you will take a break or you will trade one more time, or you are done for the day, something you will took some decision, right? So that decision might be an emotional decision if you don't have your trading plan. Please understand this very carefully. So having trading plan is one of the most important. If you are a trader, if you are beginner, or if you are intermediate, or if you are really professional in this field, it doesn't matter. You need to have your trading plan. Not in your head, but it has to be right down. You can see mine. I'm not talking to you blindly. You can see in front of me, it's my trading plan. I'll show you. See, this my life account management. Okay. And if I trade on live account, I will follow this rule. And if I am trading on challenge account, I will follow this route. This is my challenge account trading plan. Like when I must, like when I have to take a trade, or when should I stop trading. So my simple question is, if you don't have your trading plan, I will write here, okay? I will write it very simply. Simple as that. No plan means you are planning to fail. So please try to have your own trading plan. When to stop, and then uh, how many risks are you going to take in single trade or in single account, when you are trading in live account, when you are trading in challenge account or funded account. That is very important. Technical is very easy. For technical, I will show you one thing. For technical, if you understand this theory, direction, market phase, liquidity or gaps, and then timing, you are done. There is nothing left to learn again for technical analysis. If you understand this theory, if you know the direction, to know the direction, you need to understand market structure. There are different types of market structure in the market, like bullish market, bearish market, consolidation, or reversal. If you understand that, try to understand market phase, expansion and retracement in the market, and then try to understand types of liquidities, what are liquidities, why liquidity is forming, and gaps. There are different types of gaps: fair value gaps, imbalance, volume gap, different types of gaps, but they are very similar but different names. So try to understand that, and try to understand the timings in the market. Time of the day of the week is very important. Okay, so already 8 a.m. right now in New York. So in 15 minutes, we will see some volatility in the market because we have some news. And let me check for GU. All right, all right. And for what about EU? I think EU and GU, we have some divergence on daily time frame. See, this is on daily time frame for Euro USD. For Euro USD, this swing low is already taken out by this low. So this is another lower low. And for GBP USD, this is not taken out yet. So we can see a very good divergence within Euro USD and GBP USD. So what does it tell us, or what can we expect from this market, or what can we expect from this divergence? So as of my knowledge, if we see the divergence in the market, then it doesn't say that it will go bullish or bearish. The first thing it indicates is that there is something kind of bigger movement in the market within those assets. It may be in GU or EU. There will be some good moves in near future. So that is the first idea. And second idea would be, according to the market structure, when we are in bullish and if we see divergence downside, then it indicates the bullishness of the market is very strong. So you have to understand this. These are some technical parts. Good evening, brother. Good evening. How are you? Okay, okay. It's going down. So let me check something. Okay, this one. mm, I will check for Euro futures. Okay, okay. It was going down. Then for uh, B6H26 would be the symbol for Mars contract on pound dollar. Please give me guys, anybody can me suggest some background music that it doesn't have any copyright? Can anybody suggest me any link so that I can play in my background during my live? Anybody can suggest me some good background music that doesn't have any copyright? For Euro USD, I'm expecting some kind of like this. But let me see, because We have news in 6 minutes from now. Let me see. I will took a trade after that. I will see for my setup after 8:15. Okay. Goal is moving downside to this fair value gap, daily fair value gap. So I will be very interested if it came to this level, and let me see in 30 to 1 hour level, and then I will go for my position. Ugh. People think trading is very easy, bro. Fuck. I have to wait for my setup. Ah, I will wait for my setup. Then there is no guarantee that I will make money. So that is the tricky part right over there. I have to wait for my setup to form in the market. It can take 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, even days. I have to wait for it. And if I took that trade, there is no guarantee that I will make money in the market. Even I can lose on that trade. So whoever saying that trading is a scam or trading is very easy, come here. Let's trade with me, and you will have a nice back pen over here. For NAS100, for NASDAQ, I think this is some kind of bullishness in the market. Let me check for S&P 500 as well. Weekly time frame, it's done. Or what about in daily time frame? Okay, nice one. This will be the draw on liquidity upside. What about 4 hour? 4 hour is looking good for Nasdaq. Nasdaq is really good, yeah. I think we can do some scalping in Nasdaq as well. It can go for long for Nasdaq. Let me check on Twitter. If Bitcoin breaks 126 in Q1 of this year, oh God. President Trump demands the immediate abolition of mass mall in voting. We are the only country. It doesn't matter. Any news? Any news? Average gas price in US falls to 2.8, the lowest level in 5 years. Nice one. President Trump says US market just hit another all-time high. All of them. Okay, not much chaos in the market. So let's see. This is one more important. The Fed balance. Fed means Federal Reserve. The Fed balance sheet is expanding for the first time in 4 years. What does it mean? Anybody on the chat? Anybody know anything about this balance sheet? Anyone? Come on. This is all about fundamentals in the market. Federal Reserve balance sheet is expanding. It means in 2025, 1st December, Federal Reserve ends QT, means quantitative tightening, and after that, currently right now, Fed balance sheet is expanding for the first time in 4 years. It means that right now QE, quantitative easy, is starting slowly right now. It was expanding. What does it mean to the market? It means more bullish for gold, more bullish for stock market, or more bullish in entire financial system, because Fed will print money more. It will print again and again more money, more liquidity in the market. So you have to understand this to link with the uh, current situation in the market with fundamentals and technicals. Okay. Okay. It's already one more. This news is done. So be very careful if you are trading on funded account. There are lots of restrictions in funded account, so you have to be very careful about that. So already 8:15 news is out, and it doesn't give any volatility till now in the market. Only just 2 minute pass from 8:15. So we have news in from now. It will be around 2 hours from now. So I just need to check something, and I will go for some position. It may be on gold. For gold, I think gold needs to come to this level. After it reach this level, then I want to. And for NAS 100, I want to buy this fucking chart. It was very nice on 30 minute. It's damn good. At least we can aim for this high, Asian's high on Nasdaq. What about 1 hour? 1 hour is good. What about 3 hour? 3 hour is also good. What about 4 hour? 4 hour will be closing in 41 minutes. Nice one. Okay. I will see if I could enter some trade on Nasdaq. Okay. Silver is going down. It was nice. Nice fall. Uh-huh. The first liquidity I'm interested is this one on NAS. Let me wait until I-30 because timing is one of the most important. So bro 911 Hector Voga G90 F5. Yes, yes. Let's see. Deal. Mm, for Nasdaq, I'm manifesting to hang around the this price over this level until 9:30. Then it will be best best trade for me because I'm not interested to take any trade before 9:30 for Nasdaq and S&P 500. For gold, I need to see to tap to this level. This is daily time frame fair value gap. Silver is getting down very aggressively. It's totally fine. Let me check. Um, midnight opening is somewhere here. This is the midnight opening. Okay. This is the level. I wouldn't say it's kind of uh, like it's very easy or it's very lightly to say technical analysis. I would love to say it's kind of a technical science. I would love to say like that. If it does came down again, took these lows, and from here, if it reverse again and break structure upside, it will be very nice trade for me. But let's see. But to open until 9:30, it's around 1 hour left. So it would be if I took entry now, then for Nasdaq or S&P 500, it will be early entry for me. So I don't want to take right now. But for gold, I'm waiting this area to tap in. Then I will see for my setup, wait for my setup. And anybody guys on the chat, do you guys any trade, any ideas on the chart, or are you waiting for your trade, or are you still holding, not trading for today? Any update, guys? Let me do like this. It will be good. Oh, shit. And guys, please suggest me some good background music for live streaming. Okay, for crypto, I will update as soon as possible. Within 15th of Jan, there will be uh, classes for crypto again with more updates. Nice, 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 nice. This is on the. I will check for. Mhm. I hope gold will come down again to take out this loss. My bias is bullish for gold, but I'm not comfortable yet to took any trade because we can see these lows and these lows forming equal lows. So at least I need to see to take out these lows and fill this gap first before it moves upside. Hmm. Let me check some background music for you guys. Let me check. Let me check. Uh, Guys, tell me, can you hear some background music? For goal, I need to see to tap into this fair value gap. But let's see. It's 8:40 New York time, so I need to wait at least to 9:30 New York opening, and we have some news on 10 as well. Bro, how much stop loss pip do I keep according to my capital amount? How much stop loss pip do I need? Brother Lucky, it doesn't matter about your pips to place your stop loss, or it doesn't matter about your lot size, because first of all, it depends on trader to trader. Because for me, sometimes on gold, this is my yesterday trade on gold. On this trade, I use around, just see my stop loss, around 200 pips. This is my stop loss on gold yesterday. But sometimes it may be 60 pips, 70 pips according to my setup. But first of all, you just need to understand your risk to reward, and according to your risk to reward, you has to adjust your stop loss at the least level, and just calculate your pips from your entry level to your stop loss level, and how much pips is that, and according to that pips you can calculate your lot size. But there is no fixed lot size. You must not have you don't have to fix your lot size, or you don't have to fix your stop loss. It's an every trade. It depends. It will always depend on your setup. Loss in the Lofi. If let me know, is there any copyright in loss in Lofi? If there is any copyright, then I can do that, because immediately it will ban this live. This is the first draw on liquidity for Nasdaq. Because this is London's high plus 1 hour high and intermediate high, so I want to take some trade over here, but according to the time, I just don't want to place my trade very early before New York opening, especially on Nasdaq and S&P. So that's why I'm not taking this trade. But if it takes out and came back again after 9:30, then I will be interested. But it has to be not taking out this Asian highs. If it takes out Asian highs first and came back down, then I will not be interested. Mhm. I can see some divergence on 15-minute on GU. This is the divergence on EU. There is no lower low. And for Euro USD, this will be I need to see to tap in this area for gold. Any bias, guys, for you? What are you waiting for right now in the market? Waiting to sell 4450 area. 4450. 44. Okay. Nice. Ugh, shit. What do you guys guess for me? If I took any trade today, it will be TP or stop loss. Any guess? TP as always. Yes, I'm hoping for that. I just open and sell trade on GU. Sell on GU. For which one are you talking for, brother? Which fair value gap are you looking for on which asset? Bro, would you briefly talk about crypto, please? Yes, for sure. But for now, for crypto, still I'm very bullish on crypto because after 1st of December, because 2025 is lots of manipulation happening in the market, and after 2025, the good news, everything is good news about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about Solana. There is no negative news for crypto, but lots of manipulation happening, this war and all, these tariffs, this and that. But for longer term, I think so right now the 4 year cycle is finally over, and it will be the crypto market is uh, like mm, turning into maturity market. It's kind of mature right now. So uh, I think we wouldn't get any uh, sudden moves in the market like in bullish market, like we see before in past 2 3 bull cycle. So it will be slow and steady market, but uh, it will be very bullish for me. And right now, after December 1, 2025, Federal Reserve is finally ending QT, that is quantitative tightening. And currently, right now, Federal Reserve is increasing their balance sheet. So what does it mean, increasing their balance sheet? It means Federal Reserve will start printing money to buy assets to boost the economy of the market. So uh, the risk asset like crypto, stock market, or real estate, the market, it will be in bullish market, and that is not for permanent. It may be, it can be 1 year, 1.5 year. We can see bullishness in the market. It's currently going in the right way. Likewise, we see in 2019 the QT has ended in September in 2019, and after September, October, November, December, January, this 4 month is somehow bullish in crypto after ending QT. Same with right now. Right now they are ending QT in December 1st. So I'm expecting at least until March to April, we will see some kind of slow in the market, but in bullish ways. And after that, I don't know. It can come another pandemic in the market, likewise we uh, see on 2019 and 2020 early, like COVID-19. So after that COVID-19 crash, Federal Reserve is printing more money again, and market is booming. So for now, I can't say that, but uh, my 99.9% I'm very bullish on crypto for longer term. So for currently right now, if you want to do anything, Bitcoin is the best. That will be my advice. Bitcoin is the best in entire crypto. So if you want to do some diversify, you can go for it at your own risks, at your own analysis. So do some analyze, and everything involve risks. Even me, I lose a lot of money in crypto. Last year also, I lose a lot of money. 24 also, I lost a lot of money in crypto, trading in crypto futures and some like another coins, New Year coins. So, but for my long-term portfolio, I just do have some Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and some good AI coins for longer term. Where are you from, bro? Brother, I'm from India. I'm from India and I'm from Manipur. Oh, fuck. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for reminding that. Thank you so much. I'm I'm just explaining the good stuff when I'm on mute. So what I mean is that uh, right now there is no good moves in the market. So we have news on 10. So until then, I will wait for it. And on tomorrow, we have unemployment claims as well. And on Friday this week, most important week, we have NFP news and this consumer sentiment. So this will be very wild for the market. So if market doesn't give any good expansion or any good movements until tomorrow, then Friday will be wild. So uh, you need to be very careful about that. And if market does moves on today's news and tomorrow news, then I will not trade on Friday. Done for the day. If I got some good cats until tomorrow. Bro, gold New York time on gold is it's almost same. If you are setting your this thing time zone, just set your time zone to New York time, UTC -5 New York time. Right now is 8:59 New York time, 8:59 a.m. in the New York. Okay, gold does give some moves, and let's see. This will be my level for today for Nasdaq. For gold, I'm interested on this London's highs. And Asian's highs. One hour is closing in 5 seconds. Brother, what are you talking about? Market opening for gold. What type of market opening? What type of market opening, brother? Market opening for gold. Gold and this forex pair, they will uh, run for around 23 hours per day, 23 and a half hours per day. But if you are asking for me for Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures, the real opening would be 9:30 a.m. in the morning, New York time. There is no particular New York opening for gold, brother. But if you want to trade New York session for gold, then 7 a.m. in the morning is good for you. Like there is the time for kill zone from 7 to 10:30 or around 11 is a good timing for you if you want to trade on gold, especially in New York session. Gold and silver is also in divergence. So it's 9 a.m. in the morning. Guys, can I take some break for 2 minutes? I need to go to washroom. Please wait uh, with the market. I will be back soon. So please give me just 2 minutes. I will be right back. I will go for washroom and I will be right back. Okay. So please give me 2 minutes. Enjoy the chart. Okay, okay. Nice one for on Nas and Red. After 9:30, I would love to see to go down once again, but my bias is bullish for Nas and Red as well. And if it goes further down, this was good level. What about 2 hours? Okay, 3 hours. What about 4? I think this is a good level for me. Can you hear my voice right now? I think it's very clear, but please let me know in the chat. For gold, this is for gold. Arey yaar, gold and silver is in a very big, huge divergence. I already buy a blower. This is from Amazon. I think it's the model name is Tornado. Do you know why I'm buying this blower? Anybody on the chat, do you know why I'm buying this blower? It's in front of my chart. Once I enter the trade, if price is on consolidation, then I will start this blower and I will try to pull up the market like this. Okay. So that's the main reason for that. That's why I'm buying this blower, so that I can control the candle. I will check something. What about AUD USD? Okay. Excuse me, guys. It came down for some. What kind of price action is that? Can you see? This is on USD CHF. What the fuck? Shit, man. I will not change to USD CHF again. It gives me heart attack. It gives me more pressure, like the price is on consolidation for a long time and it will go for 20 pips, 30 pips, and the spread will be this much. Bro, are you with CA? What do you mean by CA? There are lots of meaning about CA. Please explain me, what do you mean about CA? It's kind of a Gen Z word, I guess. Okay. 9:15. Only 15 minutes left. I think gold is going to go from here. But let's see. Need to see the candle closing of this 5 minutes. So it's 3 minutes left. Because the 1 hour is good. 1 hour is good. 3 hour candle closing is 1.5 hours left. What about 2 hours? 2 hour is also good. And for 4 hour, I think 4 hour, it's opening around 17 minutes gone, so it can come down a little bit more and go up again, or I need to see to take out these equal lows, but it was consolidating from past 1 hour, I guess. Let's see. Just waiting for my setup. Not yet. If it comes down and take out these lows once again, it will be good for my setup. Same with Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq will shoot up from here, but 9:30 is okay, but on 10 there is a news, that's why I can't take trade right now. I can't force myself. Any guess, guys? Should I took trade now, or should I wait for 10 for this news? Chartered accountant. No, bro. I'm not chartered accountant. Chartered accountant works for me, but I'm not chartered accountant. Yes. Let's wait for it. Oh. Discipline, patience. I'm waiting for my setup from last 2 to 3 hours. And let's say finally I got my entry after 10. If I hit my TP, then it's fine. I will be happy, this and that, done for the day. But what about if I hit my stop loss? That is the real challenge as a trader. So if you are really beginner, you need to work on that. Like you have to be prepare yourself, because before you enter the trade, you need to prepare your mind. You are already losing the trade. You need to accept the loss first before taking your trade. That is the real trick I am using from past 4 or 5 years. Before, if you took any trade or any position in the market, accept the stop loss or accept the loss for that trade first in your mind, and then let the trade work out. And if it hits TP, then it's fine. If it hit stop loss again, it will fine for you, because before you took the trade, you already accepted the losses. So if you don't accept the losses, then it will feel more emotion, or you will feel like to do more revenge trading type. So keep in mind with that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Goal is start moving downside. Okay. And New York will be opening in 7 minutes from now. Nice. Chalo, chalo. Guys, don't forget to share this live. I will be live as much as possible. And I will give you more information about my strategies, about how I develop my mindset, my psychology as a trader. I will share each and everything on this channel. And for your side, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, I'm working really, really hard to make uh, like mm, to be on live because especially I'm doing our classes, but right now we are doing in the morning so that I can do live for you. Great advice, but that's the hardest part we will face. Yes, you have to face the hardest part. You have to pay the price. I'll tell you one thing. Let me pause this music and I will tell you one thing. If you are choosing to be a trader, then full support from my side, first of all. So, trading is a business like there is no guarantee, but there will be only one guarantee, that is, you will be face frustration, you will face loneliness, you will be confusing yourself. Like, there will be times like you are not believing in yourself and you don't see your futures anymore. You can't believe that it can make money again, or uh, like forget about other people will be saying this and that. Yeah, what's up, fuck it, forget about other people's thing. And as a beginner trader, don't say anything about yourself to others, like you are trading and all. Don't say to others like you are trading this and that. Just be quiet, do your research, learn from it, gain more experience. Try funded accounts. Fail is part of the journey. I know it's hard, it's very, very hard, but uh, failure and losing money is part of this journey. You have to understand. But you can't control failure, but you can control how much you are losing in your initial states. So, you need to be very, very careful in your uh, initial states, this 1 year, 2 year, because any amount you are deposit in your life account, or if you are buying any big funded accounts, 99.9% of chances you are losing that money as a beginner trader. So if let's say if you are let's say if you deposit 1K as a beginner trader in your life account, there's higher chances to lose that 1K within a week or within a days. So what I mean is that just divide that 1K into 10 times or 15 times, even 20 times. And as a beginner trader, your first 3 to 5 months, please be for sure try to trade on demo accounts or paper trading. It will be good for you at least for 3 to 5 months if you are really beginner. After that, you will learn some movements for the market. You will know about your strategy. You will know how to move stops, how to move TP, how to adjust your lot size, this and that. And then came to live account. You can do only with some small account that you are effort to lose. So don't be like, okay, I will deposit this much and I will earn this much in next 2 to 3 months. It doesn't work like that. So try to focus on yourself, try to gain more experience from the market. You need to be more eye training in the market, at least 1 to 2 hours, at least minimum. You need eye training. Okay. And this business is like there is no limit for this one. Like you can go anywhere, you can trade from anywhere in the world. There is no boss for you. You are boss of yourself. Nobody can tell you this is good or this is bad. There is nothing to say about you, but you have to take your own decision for your future. And there is no limit in the market. You can earn $100, $1,000, $100,000, even a million in a day. There is no limit, but you have to pay the price for that. First of all, you need to learn yourself, you need to understand yourself, you need to sacrifice something in your learning curve, in your learning time, at least to average 2 to 3 years. You need some sacrifice, and you need some working hard. You need to train your eyes and never give up. So the price is very high, and uh, it's more than worth it. Like, if you finally become a profitable trader, it's more than worth it. It's more than you think. Like, it's a beautiful life, but we need to pay the price for that. Okay, enjoy the music. And in 1 minute, New York opening is in 1 minute, and in 30 minutes another news is coming. So let's see. Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Mm-hmm. See these guys on 9:30 New York opening. It was racking up to this London's highs. Nice. Okay. If it does came down again and take some liquidities downside. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. 1 hour. 1 hour is good. 4 hour. We even meet at the event. Nice, brother. Nice to meet you again. I follow whatever you said very strictly. Yes. Hats off to you, brother. Shout out. You have to follow. Like, anybody, mm, those who are like already experienced what you want for. Bro, NZD, USD, and USD JPY, I want to know your bias. NZD, USD, And wait for me, bro. I'm a beginner, but I have the basic knowledge. Knowing it from YouTube, can you please recommend me some video which is some advanced than basics? First of all, brother Paugel, technical is not the main thing. Like you can watch technical hundreds and thousands of video from internet. But first of all, let me tell you something. You can go to my this channel as well, and you can go to Trade House Community channel. It will be available in YouTube. Uh, on that channel, I share lots more about liquidity, about the market structure. First of all, you can watch that video, and you need to improve your mindset. So you can start reading books. Start reading books. Always practice yourself. So first of all, 2 to 3 months, try to grab the market, like how the candle works, how the market moves, what is pips, what is stop loss, what is TP, what is MT5. You need to know these basics first. What are performs if you are really beginner. हम्म देखो भाई. हम्म Nice one, nice one. This is the 9:30 opening. It goes down to this level, to this order block, to this small volume gap over here on 1 minute time frame. This small volume gap within these order blocks. So, so if it takes out this Asian's high, then I'm not interested. But before taking out this high, if it came down again, then I will be interested to long on this Nasdaq. I must be very careful about gold. I think gold will moves in few minutes. I will be ready with my accounts. So today I will trade one of my $50,000 challenge account. Okay, account is ready. Mm-hmm. Nice. And once again, shout out, a very big shout out to our Trade House community members. Like we can see more and more uh, like results within ourselves, within trade house. And this is our website for our trade house. This is a private website. And today also one of our sister, she is a housewife, and she withdraw around $7,000 from $50,000 funded account from funding pips. And after profit split, she received around $6,200 from funding pips. Nice one, and a very big congratulations to her. A very bright future for her as well. So she is a housewife from Manipur. Nice one. And we can see a lot more, like this is only for today. And you can see on this side lots of funded, this one, this is passing for funded account, this one also, this one, everything. This is for payout for passing certificate, payout, everything is over here. So nice one. I'm very grateful for, as a mentor, I'm very grateful so that I can guide them in the right way. Okay, let's focus on chart. Yes, on this channel, we will do live for Forex and futures as well. For futures, it will be live by my partner, Mahesh. He is the founder of Trade House Community, and he will be live on same this channel for futures market as well, as soon as possible. I think it will be from next week or within 5 to 10 days. We are starting live on futures market as well. Live trading on future. I will do for Forex and he will do for future. And meanwhile, we can do like sometimes I will go for with futures as well. But for first 2 months, we will do live on this channel for both futures and Forex both. So anybody, those who watching here, those who are trading in futures, good news for you. Okay, finally gold is moving downside. You can see I was drawing this fair value gap, one of the most important fair value gap. It was retracing again to this fair value gap and go for this liquidity. Nice one. चलो हो गया. Next will be this highs. Let me check Bitcoin real quick for brother Thompson. I'm not a crypto trader. I'm a crypto investor, but Um, for me, I'm still bullish at least to this highs, I guess. This I can see this is some kind of a retracement. It can go lower to this fair value gap once more, and if I see some break of structure upside in lower time frame like 1 hour 2 hour, then it can easily reach to this level 95 level. It's kind of a psychological level as well. It's not 95, it's 96 level. You can see, you can hear on my background there is a ground in front of my home, in front of my house. They are arranging this called what to say, bingo. It's bingo in English, and in our local language it's called housey. So in same time, some of the people, they are going for the housey or bingo, and we are here with the market. Arey yaar, do some movements, bro. Goal XAU USD. I need to right now. This is the right time to use this blower. Always consolidating in this area, so I will blow this fucking price fucking candle. Move up, move up. Right time to use this blower. That's why I'm buying this blower. Euro USD consolidation, consolidation. Uh, 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 Let me check S&P 500. Oh, nice. Nice. Nice one. S&P 500 is already in all-time high. Okay, okay. S&P 500 is already in all-time high. Mhm. So I need to be very careful if I wear long in Nasdaq. Nice, nice. It gives more chances within this. What about US 30? Mm-hmm. US 30 is in all-time high and try to move slower. It's totally fine. This is the level. Okay, so I will focus on NAS 100 for now. By the way, this could be a very good scalp. 1 minute over here and 5 minutes within this area. So I told you, first of all, as a trader, you need to understand the direction of the market. That's all. Just try to understand the direction of the market, your bias of the market. That is the first thing you need to understand as a trader. We need to understand where market wants to go first, upside or downside. This was a nice entry though. I'm still not taking any trades for today. So only 10 minutes left for news. I'm waiting. I hope I'm getting in gold some moves. I can catch some moves on gold or in EU or GU. I'm also interested in Nasdaq, but for Nasdaq, before news, it already moves to my level, so I'm not that much interested for now on Nasdaq. It already gives the moves before the news happening, so goal is still here. So let's see. If I got, I will do my trade. If I don't, that's it, done for the day. In 7 minutes, we have news. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see to came downside first and then goes up for gold. Um, let's see. Let's see what it can get. The fuck, this music is getting me more boring. Let me change the music first. It's very irritating. Let's see news in 4 minutes. Fuck. Bro, my advice will be, if you are a trader, don't give up. Please don't give up, yeah. I need to see, or I want to see one more manipulation downside. That's why I'm waiting. Otherwise, this is already forming my setup. After news, as of trading rules for news, right now I can't took any trades. 5 minutes before news and 5 minutes after news. So I will wait until 10:05. Until then, if I see some downside moment, it will be perfect entry for me. Otherwise, I can miss this trade. That's totally fine. Let's see. After waiting 4 hours. Ah, Okay, it gives some downside movement. In 20 seconds, there will be news. I just want to see to come here again. Let's see. News already 10. Came down first. Again, I will use my blower again. Came down. Came down first. Came down first. Right time to use my blower. Trader best one and only needed life will be this session. If you don't take a trade, if missing out after this 4 hour. Yes, of course. That's why I'm going live. I just want to show you the reality of a trader. Like how does it affects you, or how can be uh, the actual mindset of a trader. Like if you are missing out, if you hit your stop loss, if you hit your TP, it doesn't matter. That is some part of a journey. So you need to focus on your next 10 trades, your next 100 trades. And anybody watching right now, if you haven't joined my Telegram community, that is completely free of cost. The link is in the description down below. Join it right over now, and you can see lots of things over there, lots of updates in each and every day, bias for the market. I will share you, and I will do some free classes uh, coming soon. So don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Very shout out to brother Johan World. Appreciate, brother, appreciate. I would love to take a snap for that. Trader base one and only needed life will be this session if you don't take a trade if missing out after this 4 hour. Yes. Every trader must have these qualities. I myself also absorbing all his qualities. Thank you so much, brother Johan. I'm here live for almost 3 to 4 hours and I'm still waiting for my setup to form. Let's see. Trader base one and only needed live decision. Every trader must have these qualities. I must have these qualities. Thank you so much, brother Johan. I am here live for almost 3 to 4 hours and I'm still waiting for my setup to form. Let's see. Trader base one and only needed live will be decision if you don't take a trade missing out after these 4 hours. Every trader must have these qualities. I must have these qualities. Thank you so much, brother Johan. I am here live for almost 3 to 4 hours and I'm still waiting for my setup. Bro, it doesn't give me my setup till now. What about silver? I think silver wants to move down a little bit more. Mixed data for USD. Okay, all right. One and only needed live will be precision if you don't take a trade if missing out after these 4 hours. Yes. Every trader must have these qualities. I must have also absorbing all his qualities. Thank you so much, brother Johan. I am here live for almost 3 to 4 hours and I'm still waiting for my setup to form. Let's see. Okay, someone is requesting me to start my blower again for goal. For sure, brother. I will do it for you. Okay. You can hear the sound. See. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, done. Nice one. My perfect investment. So, my advice will be for 2026, if you are a trader, just buy one blower for yourself and use it accordingly. See, the price is melting down. I am just blowing the price, blowing the candle. It actually works. Thank you, bro. $200 profit. Nice. Well done. Well done, bro. Already I uh, break even my investment on this blower. Really happy for you, bro. Brother, there is. See, it's already coming down. Okay. I hope I'm getting some good setup within few minutes. Let's see. You want this fair value gap? Okay, one more time. One more time. Let me do it. Let me do it for my viewers. One more blower. Once more to that fair value gap. Come on. Let's go. Okay, bro. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Tawbani ko. See, it's already coming down to this fair value gap level. And I need some profit sharing. It's done. Already reached this fair value gap. Okay. It's the company name is Protonics. I buy from Amazon. Okay, I will wait for my setup. Let's see. I will enter on my $50,000 account from QT. Mm-hmm. Let's wait. Let's wait for some confirmation. $535. Nice. 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 W on the chat. Come on, guys. W on the chat. For this blower. For this blower, W on the chat. Come on. What about silver? Silver is looking more bearish, so I need to wait for some confirmation. There is a big long happening, big long build up happening. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What about DXY? DXY is going higher. Okay. All right. I think gold will be coming down further more, I guess. But I need to see a strong rejection or a break of structure at least in 5 or 15 minutes before I go long. Yes, write down blower in your journal. I mean blower, no blowjob. Just reminder. It's a different thing. Okay, okay, some movement. What about this one in 1 hour time frame? It's good. What about 30 minutes? Is this 30 minute in 1 hour? It's 3 hour time frame. It's getting wild. 4 hour. What about 10 minutes? 45 minutes is closing bearish. That's why I need to check the candle closing of higher time frame. This 45 minute is closing bearish. Took a sell on US 100 Nasdaq from the highest. Nice one, nice one. I think the bias for higher time frame is bullish, so please very careful if you are taking some shorts on NAS 100. You can took your break even or some profits first. Mm-hmm. Higher time frame is bullish on GU, but you need some retracement. It may be in consolidation, I don't know, but we need some retracement, right? And because of this, it already taken out this major liquidity and fill this gap as well on higher time frame. So it needs some kind of retracement or a long consolidation over here, and it can go for further. So that's why. And on DXY, DXY is getting bullish right now. That's the main part, and that's why I'm not waiting on Euro USD or GBP USD. I need more confirmation on that, then I will go for it. Based on my analysis, a move to upside is expected within the hour. Yes. For which pair? Are you talking for gold or Nasdaq? Once I enter this position, I'm so ready with this blower. ये blower ने मैं मारूंगा ना. फुल स्पीड में ये मॉनिटर फट जाएगा. ठीक है. Still, I missed my trade on NAS 100, and still I'm not getting my setup. But I'm very happy enough, very grateful that all my viewers, all my subscribers, they are in profit right now, and you are following your plan, I guess, and I hope follow your plan. Do have a plan for your trading. Don't do overtrade. It's very hard, I can understand, but please write down each and every day, like, I don't do overtrading, I don't do overtrading. I am very grateful that I can control my overtrading. I am very grateful that I'm controlling my overtrading. Write down for 30 days consistently without stopping any day and see the results. Okay, so let me check on forex.com. Candle closing. Okay, it looks good, it looks good. Okay, what about 3 hour? What about 4? Okay, right now I'm confident enough. Let me do some scalping. Let's see. I will not that much. Risk not that much, but right now I'm on the trade. My stop is somewhere here. Let's see. I'm risking around 1%. I'm just not lying to all of you, bro. Just see. See. Ten 30. I'm so ready with my blower right now. I'm ready with this. Let's go. Are you enjoying this live, guys? Please let me know in the chat. Are you enjoying this live? Okay, nice, nice. Some fire emojis on the chat. Let's go. I want to take some profit with this highs, and rest I will run. Love to see to run this London's high. From here, it can come down and tap to this 5-minute fair value gap. It can tap to this once again. And if it respects again, I would love to see a very quick running to upside. Here's the thread. I don't know you just see or not. Fuck, bro. After 4.5 hours sitting in front of chart, finally I got my setup. This is patience game, bro. This is patience game. Just understand your bias, wait for your setup, know your timings. I can be in profit or I can be in loss, that's another thing, but you need to follow your plans and rules and let it be. I think right now is the right time to use my blower again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. You fucking candle. Let's see. I'm not doing the full power. Let's see. I will take some profit on this highs. What do you guys think? I will hit my TP or I will be in stop loss. Okay, after this high I will book some profit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shit. It was consolidating right over there. I hope we can see some retracement. We can do some retracement to this 5-minute fair value gap or to this breaker block. This one is breaker block, and this dotted line. This is the equilibrium of this large fair value gap for a higher time frame, so it can get some retracement and shoots up again. Let's see. I hope someone is using another blower. What the fuck? Who is using another blower to bring the price down? Don't do that. I'm so ready to take some profits. Hmm. If you are using another blower, then I will block you from my channel. Remember that. Ah, fuck. We got some retracement. Hmm. Fuck, my eyes is getting fucked. Let me see. Just go up. What? Nas 100 is getting to my another level. This was also nice one. Anybody took any trade on Nas 100 as on my call? When I started live, the price is over here, and I'm interested in this level, and if it goes further, this level. It's already reaching these 3 levels. Nice one, but I don't trade on this one because I'm waiting on gold. Time frame I'm using for this trade, I'm using my M3 is on 5 minutes, and the rest I look for 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, daily bias and all. Yes, future is so bright. Googles are not optional. Let's go, let's go. Please give me 1 minute. Just 1 second. What the fuck is going on gold? Give some movements, bro. At least move something. You can go and take out my stop loss, or you can go to my TP. At least move something. Yes, I already entered this trade around how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 20 to 25 minutes before. See, on this highs, I'm planning to book some profit. Itao Hiramani Naibanida. Hi. But first of all, who are you? Yes, it's hanging around near this fair value gap. Bro, features funding takes the monthly subscription bro like this talk pro cup pro talk dingy. For futures you can ask to Mahesh because right now I'm not trading on futures, but as soon as possible I will be trading in future as well. And as soon as possible within 5 to 10 days, future trading live future trading is also coming on this same channel, so stay tuned for that. Gold is dead right now. Either it's moving upside or downside. Please give me 2 minutes, guys. One of my friends is coming, so I will be back. Stay tuned. Okay. Uh, it's finally moving upside, but let's see if it reaches my level. This one, then I will book some profit. On this level, I will book some profit, and I will let run the and within 10 minutes, if it doesn't hit my target or if it doesn't hit my stop loss, then I will fix my target and stop loss, then let it do what it be. Within 10 minutes, I will wait until 11:10. Until then, if I doesn't hit any of my stop loss or TP, then I will fix my stop loss and target, then let it do whatever it wants. Bearish is bit stronger. Yeah, it's on your own view. For me, I'm on buy. Right now, I don't want any bearishness. At least it needs to take out these highs. At least. Before that, it can come back once again down to this level, or even to this level, or even taken now this low once again. But this high is very obvious. This high must to take out. In within 4 minutes, if this candle doesn't hit my stop loss or TP, then I will fix my target and stop loss and done for the day. Let it be. Let it do whatever it wants. Price action versus SMC, any opinion? The real truth is that SMC is the price action, or price action and SMC are very similar, brother. Price action meaning we have to understand what price is doing, like in what support or in what resistance it was making, and it's very similar with other strategies. If you are trading in support resistance, SMC, or ICT price action using indicator, it's almost similar. It doesn't make you, like if you are trading with SMC, you will make more profit, or if you are using price action you will lose more money. It doesn't make like that, or it doesn't make any sense. It's almost similar. So use your own strategies, or you can use anything of that and try to be uh, like make it simple as much as possible. Make it simple as much as possible you can. Don't be very complicated to price actions or strategies. For new viewers, I'm still holding this trade. As you can see, I'm still holding. My first target is this highs. If it comes to this high, I will book some profit, and rest I will let it run. Okay, so guys, till now it doesn't came to my level, to this level, to this level, take profit or even in stop loss. It was hanging around to this level for a long time. So I'm going live almost 4 hours right now. 1 2 3, almost 5 hours I think. So let's see. I will update on my Telegram channel, and if you haven't joined Telegram channel, the link is in the description below. Join it right now. It's completely free of cost. I will update there all my trades, my views on chart, Euro USD, gold, Nasdaq. I will share my thoughts and bias for the day, bias for the week. So make sure you join that channel, and see you again in my next live. For today, I will let it run. It may be in TP or in stop loss. So good night everyone. Bye bye. Happy trading. Good night, and see you tomorrow. Same hour. I will be live from 6 p.m. IST Indian time. So see you tomorrow guys.